Hi, this is Corey with HRI Vending out of Muskego, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to show you how to set the price on a single price coin mech. So I have two styles here. The first one is a Mars TRC 6800, and then we have a Coinco 9360S. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Mars one first. So to get at the price switches, the first thing you want to do are push these tabs on each side and push the acceptor forward. I'm going to go ahead and take this acceptor out so you guys can see it a little bit better. So we have two sides of this. We have the option side and the price side. I'm not going to go into detail about the options at all in this video. So right here are price switches. So our number 1 switch indicates 5 cents, the number 2 indicates 10, and then number 3 is 20, 4 is 40, 5 is 80, and then it just doubles every time. So let's say that we want to set our coin mech at 50 cents. So I'm just going to push all these down for you guys real quick. So we want to equal 50 cents. So we would want to go to our 40 cent tab, which is our number 4. So because that's 5, 10, 20, 40. And then we go to our 10 cent tab, which is 5, 10. This one right here. Flip that up. 40, 10, 50. It's pretty simple. And then let's say we want 75. We turn our 20 on. Now we're at 70. Turn the 5, 75. So nothing too complicated. Now we'll go ahead and we'll show you on this one. Now this one actually shows you the price of each switch or tab on it. So like right here, you have 5, 10, 20, 40, 80, 160, 320, 640. So same exact thing. We'll just turn these off real quick. Let's say we want to add $1. So we would turn our 21 on. So 5, 10, 20. Then we'd go 5, 10, 20, 40, 80. So 80, 20 equals $1. So that's kind of the basics of setting prices on a single price coin mech. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you can use this information.